This is the quietest house in the world. Welcome to the Japanese dream house. Imagine waking up every morning to the soft glow of dawn breaking over serene gardens, birds chirping peacefully. You stretch in a perfectly lit sunroom before starting your day in a clutter-free home where everything has its place. After a fulfilling day, you return home to a house that anticipates your needs, relaxes your body, and calms your mind. This might sound like a fantasy, but it's not. In Japan, they built a better dream house, and it's smarter than yours. Let's explore how. Now, we all dream of owning a beautiful house, but the concept of a dream house differs vastly across cultures. For some, it's a sprawling mansion with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms. For others, it's a cozy cottage nestled in the countryside. However, in Japan, the concept of a dream house goes beyond mere size and opulence. It's about embracing minimalism, functionality, and a deep connection with nature. The story of the Japanese dream house begins in the heart of Tokyo, where amidst the bustling city life, there exists a tranquil oasis known as Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden. The garden is a perfect blend of Japanese traditional landscape design and Western landscaping techniques. It's a place where the stress of the city melts away, replaced by a sense of tranquility and harmony. And at the center of this garden lies a koi fish pond with a small tea house. It's a place where visitors can sit back, relax, and enjoy the serenity of their surroundings. But it's not just the beauty of the garden that makes it so special, it's also the philosophy behind it. A philosophy that has been deeply ingrained in Japanese culture for centuries. The Japanese have long believed that living in harmony with nature is essential to living a balanced life. And this belief is reflected in the country's architecture, art, and even its lifestyle. The key to understanding the Japanese dream house lies in understanding the Japanese way of life. Japanese homes are not just places to live, they're sanctuaries that reflect the values and beliefs of the people who inhabit them. Space in Japan is treated as a precious commodity, and this is especially true in cities like Tokyo, where land is scarce and the population is dense. As a result, Japanese homes tend to be smaller than those in many other parts of the world. However, what they lack in size, they make up for in functionality and aesthetics. Traditional Japanese homes feature sliding doors and partitions that create flexible spaces. This design allows a single room to adapt to the needs of the inhabitants. Living in a smaller home brings a sense of intimacy and coziness, turning it into a personal sanctuary where everything has its place. The Japanese embrace the concept of Wabi-Sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and the natural aging process. Homes often use natural materials like wood and stone, reflecting this philosophy and celebrating the rough, asymmetrical aspects of life. Now, while Japanese homes prioritize functionality and simplicity, they're by no means devoid of comfort or style. In recent years, there's been a growing trend towards incorporating elements of modern design into traditional Japanese homes. This has resulted in some truly stunning properties that combine the best of both worlds, blending the rustic charm of traditional design with the sleek lines and functionality of modern aesthetics. In Japan, owning a home is considered a fundamental right and a significant investment. And the dream house for many Japanese people is a place that combines tradition and modernity, functionality and aesthetics, all while being deeply rooted in the natural environment. Now, let's see what makes the Japanese dream house smarter than the rest. Japanese dream homes aren't just aesthetically pleasing, they're also designed with practicality and functionality in mind. One of the standout features of these homes is their efficient use of space. In a country where land is at a premium, particularly in major cities like Tokyo, every square meter counts. As a result, Japanese architects and designers have mastered the art of creating homes that maximize space without sacrificing on style or comfort. Take, for example, the use of tatami mats as a fundamental unit of measurement for room dimensions. This traditional Japanese flooring unit, which is about 180 centimeters by 90 centimeters, allows for flexible and modular interior design. Furniture and room dividers can be arranged and reconfigured according to one's needs, providing a high degree of adaptability. Additionally, the use of shoji screens, which are made from translucent paper and are mounted on sliding doors and windows, not only helps to maintain privacy, but also diffuses natural light throughout the home. This creates a sense of openness and airiness, making the living spaces feel larger than they actually are. Another aspect of Japanese dream homes that contributes to their practicality is the focus on multifunctional furniture. For instance, a coffee table can double as a dining table and a storage unit, while a sofa bed can seamlessly transform from a comfortable seating area into a guest bedroom. These space-saving solutions allow homeowners to make the most of their living areas while still enjoying all the comforts of a modern home. Furthermore, Japanese dream homes are often equipped with the latest smart home technology. From automated lighting and climate control systems to voice-activated appliances, these technological advancements add a layer of convenience and efficiency to daily life. They allow homeowners to control various aspects of their home with ease, making the overall living experience more enjoyable. However, it's not just about making the most of limited space or integrating smart technology. Japanese dream homes also prioritize environmental sustainability. There's a growing trend towards building homes that utilize eco-friendly materials and incorporate energy-efficient appliances and solar panels. These measures help to reduce the carbon footprint of the home and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. In addition to the practical aspects, Japanese dream homes also take into account the emotional and psychological well-being of the inhabitants. They create spaces that promote relaxation, mindfulness, and a sense of connection with nature. For example, many homes feature indoor plants or access to outdoor gardens, bringing the tranquility of the natural world into the living space. This emphasis on creating a harmonious living environment reflects the deep cultural significance placed on mental health and work-life balance in Japan. Overall, Japanese dream homes stand out as beacons of efficiency, innovation, and balance. They showcase how it's possible to create comfortable and stylish living spaces while respecting environmental constraints and promoting a sense of well-being. By embracing the principles of space optimization, multifunctional design, and sustainable living, Japanese dream homes continue to evolve and inspire those seeking a more mindful and harmonious way of living. In Japan, safety is paramount, and earthquake-resistant engineering is deeply embedded in the culture. Japanese homes are constructed with robust techniques and materials that can withstand earthquakes, which are unfortunately common in the country. The structural integrity of these homes is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of Japanese engineering. One of the key features of earthquake-resistant construction in Japan is the use of a seismic isolation system. This involves placing the house on rubber or friction bearings that absorb and distribute the energy of strong ground motions during an earthquake. By decoupling the structure from the ground, these systems significantly reduce the impact of seismic activity on the building itself. Another important aspect is the use of a strong and rigid frame. The skeletal structure of a Japanese home is typically made from steel or wood, which can effectively resist lateral forces caused by earthquakes. The frame is designed to withstand the shaking motion of the earth, ensuring the stability of the overall structure. Moreover, the use of non-structural components such as braces and dampers plays a crucial role in earthquake resistance. These components help to stabilize the structure and reduce the effects of vibrations. For instance, braces are installed diagonally across walls or floors to provide additional support and prevent collapse. Dampers, on the other hand, are devices that absorb and dissipate seismic energy, reducing the intensity of vibrations within the building. In addition to these structural measures, Japanese homes also incorporate architectural features that enhance earthquake resistance. For example, low-rise construction with a small number of stories reduces the risk of collapse. Additionally, the use of lightweight materials in non-load-bearing walls and partitions minimizes the potential for damage due to seismic activity. Building codes and regulations in Japan are stringent when it comes to earthquake resistance. Local authorities regularly conduct inspections and enforce strict standards to ensure that homes meet the necessary safety guidelines. This proactive approach to building regulations helps to mitigate the potential risks associated with earthquakes. Moreover, Japanese homeowners and builders often invest in additional safety measures, such as anchoring heavy furniture to walls and securing large appliances to prevent them from toppling over during an earthquake. These precautions contribute to the overall resilience of the living environment. In conclusion, the combination of seismic isolation, robust frames, non-structural components, and stringent building codes ensures that Japanese homes stand strong against earthquakes. The emphasis on safety and the use of innovative engineering techniques have made Japanese houses some of the most earthquake-resistant structures in the world. Have you ever wondered how people in Japan manage to live in such close quarters without feeling cramped or claustrophobic? The answer lies in the ingenious ways they've managed to make the most of tiny spaces. For instance, in many Japanese homes, staircases aren't just functional pathways between floors. They're also cleverly designed storage solutions. The steps of the staircase are built with hidden compartments, allowing residents to store books, shoes, or other belongings. This not only keeps living spaces clutter-free, but also makes efficient use of otherwise wasted space. Another remarkable space-saving technique employed by Japanese homeowners is the use of beds that can be folded or tucked away into walls. These Murphy beds or wall beds are a common sight in Japanese homes, especially in cities like Tokyo, where space is at a premium. When not in use, the beds can be folded and hidden away, creating more room for activities like working or socializing. Sliding walls are another innovative solution used to maximize space in Japanese homes. These movable walls, known as fusuma in Japanese, can be slid back and forth to create flexible and adaptable living spaces. They allow residents to open up their homes for social gatherings or close off sections for privacy when needed. Additionally, Japanese homes often feature built-in shelves, cabinets, and storage units that fit seamlessly into the design of the room. These built-ins provide ample space for storing belongings while maintaining an uncluttered appearance. They can be found in various locations throughout the house, from under stairs to above doorways. Moreover, the Japanese concept of komorebi, which emphasizes the appreciation of sunlight filtering through trees, is often incorporated into home design. Large windows and glass doors allow natural light to penetrate deep into the interior, creating an illusion of spaciousness. This connection with the outdoors brings a sense of expansiveness to compact living spaces. By employing these space-saving strategies, Japanese homeowners have turned tiny houses into havens of functionality and comfort. They've shown that it's possible to live in small spaces without compromising on style or quality of life. And these ideas have also caught on globally, inspiring people around the world to rethink how they use space in their own homes. After exploring the intricacies of the Japanese dream house, one thing is clear: they've redefined the concept of home living. Their approach to housing challenges the conventional notions of luxury and opulence, demonstrating that true quality lies in simplicity, functionality, and harmony with nature. If you found this video insightful and would like to support our channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. We have more fascinating videos in the pipeline that you might enjoy. Until then, take care, and consider sharing this video with someone who might appreciate it.